So we're here at NAB 2025. I'm here on the Glensound stand speaking to Marc. How are you doing?
I'm good.
So, well, we just had a discussion about how your different approach, particular approach to projects. Tell us more.
Well, I always found it counterintuitive when we're at an exhibition that we put lots of stuff out.
Yeah.
And at our booth, we know our booth is quite populated. We bring a lot with us. But most of the people that deal with us kind of ignore all of that. What we think's different with us is our customers, when they talk to us, they'll come and say, hey, Marc, we need to do this. How can you help? And we start there, really. About 85% of what's on this booth started life as a custom project.
Yeah.
So that's really what we're about, not saying we do this and it works like this. We start by saying, come and talk to us, tell us what you need, and let us see if we can help. At least give you an option on how we do things, because it's always amazed me. I had the discussion earlier. We were talking with ESPN, and a very clever group of ESPN engineers in the US, and a very clever group of engineers at ABC in Australia. They have the same problem, but they come up with completely different solutions. And it's not our job to dictate to any technical group of people how they should solve their problem. We just want to say, okay, we've got technical audio expertise. What do you need to do? And we'll put forward some solutions on how you want to work.
Yeah.
So I think it's just interesting for anyone that may be watching. If they have a particular requirement, even if there are some off-the-shelf options they know about, to get in touch with us. And I would say a 2-line email. Give us a 2-line email. We're trying to do this.
Yeah.
Is this something Glensound will be able to assist with? And so we'll see what happens.
Brilliant. No, it's a very important message because, as we've always been impressed by the fact that most of your solutions come out of demand.
Absolutely, yeah, 100%.
You don't make something up because you think this is how somebody should work. You'll solve a problem.
We never claim to know better than our customers.
Absolutely.
Their needs are always very specific.
Brilliant. Thanks, Marc. Have a look at the other videos that we've been doing, well, over the years and this year on the Glensound booth, and for everything else that we've been doing at NAB 2025, it's kitplus.com.